I have a newer model GE Adora dishwasher, GHDT168V00SS, and I cannot figure out how to remove the top rack. Incredibly frustrating for a simple task of replacing a broken mounting bracket. This is not the dishwasher with the white clips, but gray end caps and a metal roller system. Thanks.
Yes, you have to remove the gray end caps in the rail. They have used many end caps over the years, but if it is newer, there should be a tab on the end cap that you pry out slightly to remove. Older ones you have to bend the metal of the rail that indents into the end cap with a small flat blade screwdriver for the cap to come out, and then when reinserting the end cap, use a pliers, and always use a roofing nail to put against the small tab and then squeeze with a pliers to just push the tab only of the rail back.
Even with the gray end caps out, the rack doesn't remove. Is there a next step?
Pull the rack out and look inside the rail. There is a lever in the rail. Push the lever down on the left rail and up on the lever on the right rail and finish pulling the rack out.
Any chance this rack assembly is only removed by screws? Otherwise, would you say the release lever allows the rack to be pulled out towards you or up as in off the rails? Any chance this rack assembly is only removed by screws? Otherwise, would you say the release lever allows the rack to be pulled out towards you or up as in off the rails? I don't see a way to attach a photo to show you the lever I assuming is an actual lever.
No screws, just do the levers as I described and pull out towards you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.